All right, so let's discuss the higher education leadership expert area group presentation and paper. So during the last week of the course, we'll have our symposium where groups will present their projects, and it'll be 20-minute group presentations and followed by about 5 minutes for present or for questions. All right, and then you'll also stay and participate and listen to the other group's presentations and ask them questions. So, what's the criteria for this? Well, I'm glad you asked. Basically you'll have a statement of the problem or expert area introduction, which is 5 points, a literature review, which is 20 points, the observation insights, which is 20 points, the expert area interview insights, 20 points, best practice examples at American higher education institutions where you need at least three, 20 points for that. And conclusion, reflections, takeaways, etc. That's 10 points. References, grammar, punctuation, APA formats, 5 points. Okay. So each member's got to make a meaningful contribution to the paper and presentation. And essentially how it will work is uh, you all need to, basically for the assignment, you will upload two documents. You'll upload your PowerPoint file of your presentation, and you'll upload your paper. Uh, and essentially, what this is going to be is you're going to take all of your group assignments and put them all together. Okay. So this isn't a new assignment where you got to go and collect all this information. You should have all of this information for the most part. All right. And then again, don't be intimidated by it. Again, this is just a you know, mix of all of the work that you've already done. So the goal here is to have the draft submitted at the end of the course, so that we can revise and then submit to conferences or journals later in the academic year. So as graduate students, my goal is for you to get some experience doing papers, writing papers, delivering presentations. You have a link to the grading rubric below, as well as the grading rubric is also embedded below. Now it has question one and question two. Essentially, question one is the paper, and question one is generally going to be the presentation, and question two is the paper. Okay. So that's kind of how it works. All right, let's get started.